Hi, I'm the Smoking Elk, and today we're taking a look at the HORL 2 knife sharpener. So a few weeks ago I was contacted by this company, HORL. Now they make knife sharpeners, and they contacted me and asked whether I'd be interested in receiving one of their knife sharpeners. Now I am terrible at keeping my knife sharp. I have no idea how to use a whetstone. I've attempted it once and I've never attempted it since, so I just use a honing steel, and if you keep doing that, eventually your knife's going to go blunt. This knife I know is very blunt. So when they contacted me and asked if I'd be interested in trying theirs out, I went on their website, checked it out, and it's completely different to a whetstone. It looked really easy, so I jumped at the chance and they sent me this. Now this is their knife sharpener that is just designed differently to a whetstone. It acts in a similar kind of way. On this side you have a kind of diamond face, and on this side is a ceramic face. So this is for sharpening your knife, this is for honing your knife. Also comes with this little magnetic block. So on one side you can get it at a 15-degree angle, on the other side you can get it at a 20-degree angle. So most kitchen knives will be at a 20-degree angle, and all you do is pop your knife on there like that, it holds it into place, and then you just roll that up and down your knife. So when I see the video, I saw how simple it was. I said, yes, go ahead and send me one. And over the last week or so, I've spent a little time sharpening my knives. I took my knives to a Commando Joe dealer training event a week ago, and everybody commented on the knives how sharp they were. So I'm very impressed with this, but I just wanted to show you how it works, just talk you through it. Like I said, I've got a very blunt knife here. Take a tomato here, you should be able to glide across the tomato. When I'm applying some pressure on that, and the tomato, it's not even breaking the skin, and that's with me applying pressure. So starting with a blunt knife, I'm going to just show you how easy it is to use. So like I said, all you do is pop it on the magnetic base like that. You take this and you literally just roll it up and down the knife like that. And depending on how blunt your knife is, I'm assuming this one's very blunt. Sharpening time anywhere between 1 and 5 minutes. I'm going to give this 5 minutes, a few minutes on each side, but just on one side with a diamond for a couple of minutes, and then I'll switch it over and hone it for 30 seconds to a minute, and then all we do is flip it over like so and just do the other side. So give me 5 minutes and we'll come back and see how we've done. So I've literally spent probably 2 or 3 minutes on each side of this knife, and just grinding it away. Really satisfying to use as well, really easy to use. And we're going to take the tomato again, no resistance on the knife, and we just glide it across. Look at that. So I mean, that was just bruising the tomato earlier, and now it's just slicing all the way through it. So you can see how sharp that was, and that's just 2 or 3 minutes aside from a really blunt knife there. Just one my scientific test here obviously, but I mean, you can see, let's just peel this and just show you how much light work it'll make of this onion. Let's just take that skin off. And look at that. Nice thin slices all the way through. That is sharp, very sharp. Tomato, again, no resistance, all the way through. Look at that. So for me, like I said, I'm no good at keeping my knife sharp, but this thing, you saw how easy it was. I am really impressed with that. And you know, it's just fun being able to do that. Look, no resistance, no pressure, just slicing through that tomato just like that. So that's the best you're gonna get out of me as far as scientific tests go. That's sharp enough for me to use in the kitchen. That is more than sharp enough for me. So I'm highly recommending it. It's sharpened all my knives, I love it. So that's me, the Smoking Elk, checking out the HORL 2 knife sharpener. I am very impressed, highly recommended. I do hope you'll go and check these guys out.